Dreadlock Nation, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these hot cross buns. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Okay, family, so to do this style, the first thing you want to do is start off with your hair into two. Let's go ahead and get into how to do a hot cross bun. As you can see, I've done one here already, and we're going to go ahead and do this one, and I'm going to show you just what I did. So the first thing that I did was separate the hair into 3 even sections. So I'm going to start off separating the hair to 3 even sections. So that's 1 section. This is 2 sections. So the way you know that your sections is even, you just kind of like feel it out. Feel it out. If it feels even, see, I'm adding 1 more. If it feels even, then yeah, it should be just fine. So once you separate your 3 sections, just like I have here, I have 1 here, 2, and then 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just take a rubber band, and I'm going to just put it on 2 of the sections to just hold it into place, because we're going to be working with each one of these sections individually. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing to do this hot cross bun is working with the first section, and what I'm going to be doing with this hair is called a 4-2-1 braid. And basically what that is an infinity braid that starts off with 4 sections, then it goes to 2, and it goes to 1. Now I have a video here on the YT called the 4-3-2-1 braid. I'll link it right here at the top of the screen if you'd like to check it out. It will really help you with this particular lock technique. So I'm starting off with 4 sections because I'm doing a 4-strand infinity braid. So I'm going to separate the hair into 4 sections, okay, just like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with these sections, I'm going to start my infinity braid. And what an infinity braid is basically a figure 8. And let me show you. You take 1 lock from which side, it doesn't matter, okay? Starting off, we're going to take a lock and we're going to go under this first section, okay, over this second section, under this third section, over the 4th section. All right, we're going to loop that same lock around under that section, over the next section, and of course we're going to go under that section, okay, then we're going to go over the last section, and it loops right back around just like so. Same thing, under, it's going to go over, then under, okay, then over. All right, you can push it up some like this, and you don't have to do this tight. When you're looping your locks with the figure 8 method, you don't have to wrap it tight, just wrap it around regularly, okay? You want it to be a little bit, have some give. So it comes around, okay, over that first section. Now, as you can see, the lock has gotten a bit shorter, so what I'm going to do is lay it down, pick up a new lock, overlap that one, and continue to stitch under, okay, over, under, over, okay, loops right back around, under, over, under, loops right back around, just like so, okay, loops right back around, okay. Once again, we're going to lay the lock down, pick up a new lock, continue, point, we're going to go ahead and start doing a 2-strand infinity braid. So now that I've come through the middle like this over, I'm going to go under these 2 sections and wrap both of them, okay? I'm going to come under these 2 sections and wrap, okay? This one is shorter, so I'm going to pick up a new lock and overlap, continuing my stitch. As you can see, I've started doing a 2 stitch. A single wrap around, and some would call this the barrel roll method because I'm wrapping it around once, and I'll continue this all the way down. Then, once it gets clearly to the end, I'm going to go ahead and put a rubber band on to hold it.
No. Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me, yeah, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Vkillz.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
My 4th 3-2-1 braids on the 3 sections that I separated. And at this point, all I'm going to do is loop these around clockwise. So I'm going to start off bringing this one over like so. Then I'll take this one, wrap it like so, place it how I want, bring it around, of course, just like so. Then I'm going to place this one just like so. And let the rubber band part be tucked. This rubber band here, it's actually tucked under this part so that you can't see it, all right? So make sure that is tucked. So I'm gonna add a pin right here. And as you can see, it kind of stays together. You don't even have to put a pin, but you wanna use pins to secure this. However, you will not be needing a lot of pins. So I'm gonna start off with my first pin, and I'm just gonna try and stick it just here to secure this one. And I kind of want to camouflage my pins if I can. First pin there. So I pinned the first one here. I'm just going to play with this a little bit. Maybe tighten it up. Bring it around. As you can see, this one comes around and I have it under this one. So I want to put a pin here. I want to put a pin here. So as this comes around, I'm going to put a pin right here. It only takes 3 pins to do these hot cross buns. So I'm going to put a pin here just to secure it. Okay? Just like so. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.